Wait, how do you like? Is this like the tornado itself, like right here? This? This? So like, what's going on right here? Click on the little green. Is that this is like the tornado itself right here? Yes. Yes, the refrigerator. Sorry guys, I suck at this game so bad I died. It's been damaged totally. Oh my god! What? 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 This is probably gonna be my best twisted videos. These videos are gonna be the best twisted videos I've ever posted in my life. Yes! Bro, what is that? It just formed! It hasn't even Like
Thunderstorm warning for Cherokee.
This seems like a pretty safe tornado to drive into. Ah! No, thank you. Pick me up, bro. There's two tornadoes. You see this EF2 right here? This EF2 is probably larger than this EF. Yo. Ah! Bro. My god, bro. What is this? What if I jump out of my car? Okay. Bro, what? What? Hmm? Ooh. I made it back in the car. I'm about to die, bro. I'm actually cooked. Guys, I died again. Oh my! What is this? Am I in path? Yeah, I'm dead. I'm so dead. What is this? Am I already about to die again? This is insane to catch on recording. Monster.